wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, Fort Collins, high wind warning in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. Timing, late this morning through this evening. Winds, westerly winds 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts to 65 miles per hour possible. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds may create difficult travel, especially for lightweight or high-profile vehicles. Areas of blowing dust are possible. Power outages, tree damage, and minor damage to buildings are also possible. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly.